Welcome back. Inside of your Pro account, you have the ability to turn your account to an incognito account. You can click on the account area and you can interact with Perplexity in Incognito Mode. In Incognito Mode, you can click the Home button and you can start a new thread. You'll notice then that you have anonymous threads that you're creating that will not appear in your library and will expire after 24 hours. And like all of your other threads, you can set them according to the way you want to interact with Perplexity for that specific session or period of time. We will now click Enter in Incognito Mode. Incognito does allow for multimodal. So we can go to the rewrite command. We can choose a specific model that we want to work with. And we can rewrite based on use of a specific model. One of the things that you'll notice even about Incognito Mode is that it will use your profile. So you'll see some of the profile elements that you have in your writing, even though technically you're not in your named account. What you'll notice here is there is no ability to save this particular content. You can, though, create a shareable link with the content that you have created. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.